Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are here with the July Boxycharm unboxing and review. Holy crap, I am so glad that I'm doing this today. These are just about ready to come off. I'm gonna dive into that and then a few other things in the box. So I got a little spoiled here. Like, I'll tell you what it is, but I just gotta show off. And so I'm using one right now, but I also took two out because I'm giving two to Jennifer. So this is the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Eye Masks. Okay, so there's 12 in here total. Suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes. Perk them up as if you've just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful. The retail price for these is $21. First impressions, I mean, it might be user error, but they were a little bit lower than where I would normally have them, but really it's pretty awesome. I'm going to use them more, so check the description box for a follow-up with that. The next product, this is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. A powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. Vitamin C Brightening Booster brightens the complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. The retail value for this is $49.95, so basically 50 bucks. Doing the whole Instagram thing, because why not? Ooh. It definitely smells fresh. I know I made like a face because I just couldn't identify. I know it says cucumber, green tea, and pineapple, but I almost got like a cucumber kind of thing out of it. Well, that feels really amazing. Ooh, very like, really? If you heard that. So I have like a little tray for Peach's like stuff, and like he just like dragged his water dish like across it. So I'm going to let that soak into my skin. The next product that I'm going to talk about, and disclaimer, I'm not going to be trying this on, I'm giving this away. This is the Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise Palette. Bronzer palette, addition to the much loved Paradise collection, 4 bronzer shades, provides a natural sun-kissed look, can be layered on top of liquid, cream, or other powder complexion products. The retail value of this is $30. This is a very, very beautiful, beautiful palette. I am obsessed with the packaging. I'm just going to remove that so y'all can see what is going on here. It has a mirror. Yeah. I am not in need of any bronzers right now, and the thing is I would only dip into these two. I did some hard thinking, and I'm passing this on to my lovely James. Haha, or Sister Spit. I will put Sister, I don't know why I'm saying Sister Spit, but anyway, one of my absolute best friends in the entire world, met at college, just recently started getting into makeup and has a drag name, now is Instagram official, so give her a follow. Huzzah. Special shout out. There we go. Anyway, so I will be right back with the next steps. Alright, back with the next step. So, I have the Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow. Weightless refined glitter eyeshadow infused with light reflecting pearls to create high impact sparkling eyes. Hybrid cream formula creates reflective buildable dimension for everything from a delicate glimmer to an intense prismatic finish. Retailing at $29. It comes in this like little mini jar. Yeah, this is really pretty. So I'm just gonna go in. I already have like some basic eyeshadow set. I'll bring in closer. I'm taking a flat brush and I'm just gonna dip in and pat across the top. I will be trying this out with a wet brush at some point. So check the description box for that. That will not be featured on camera. I just want to see how this acts by itself before wetting a brush. Oh, it picks up nice on the brush, and I am not pressing that hard. Oh, that's nice. It's very subtle. I'm not sure if the camera is going to pick it up or not. There is a little bit of fallout underneath, but I'm personally not minding that just because it's glitter, and I don't know, I like glitter, it's fine. Even without a wet brush, it is building up pretty nicely. I really like that, actually. I think that's all I need today. It's not much, you know, like it's subtle. I need to kind of take my brush and sweep the rest of it away, but for today's purposes, I'm loving that. So yeah, like I stated before, check the description box for how this is with a wet brush. But anyway, I'll be right back for the final product and step. Here we are for the final step, haha. I have here a Nude Sticks Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil. Gotta love a bold nude color that is both matte and creamy. Nude Sticks introduces this intense matte lip and cheek pencil, taking your lip look from day to night so you can go matte but better. This retails for $26. I really need like a pencil sharpener because like I have things that I need to sharpen, and I'm gonna have yet another thing if I end up liking this. I don't know if I'm gonna be brave enough to use this on the cheek. Low-key I always ruin get ready with me videos, so maybe expect this in a first impressions at some point. I don't know. So first impressions. That's a really nice nude. I'm liking this formula a lot. That feels really good.
It looks like it's barely drying though.
A lot of mattes are. Ooh. Alright, so there you have it. This is the finished look. I gotta say, I really enjoyed everything that came in the Boxycharm this month. I'm sure that bronzer palette works wonderfully, but I'm really happy that I'm able to give that away to someone that will actually get a lot more use out of it. I'm obsessed with the lip. I like the whole like subtle vibes going, and adding a nude lip on top of that. I feel very put together right now, and that's really not the case. But anyway, for those of you that are interested in Boxycharm, if you're not aware already, it is a monthly subscription service, 25 bucks a month, 5 full-size products. There are other options for there's Boxy Premium, which is basically you get more for more, and then there's Boxy Luxe, which is like a quarterly subscription. All of the information is on their website if you're interested and want to try it out. I do have a referral link for points that will be in the description box. You can pay month to month, you can do a few months at a time. My one complaint, I'll be totally honest, and this is just because I prefer Ipsy because there is more of a customization on Ipsy versus Boxycharm, although I get a really nice variety of stuff. Definitely no shade towards Boxy because some of my favorite products, most of my favorite products right now are Boxy products. So anyway, that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and until the next one.